We're gonna start this ride right here at Washington Street and Malcolm X Boulevard. Roxbury, Nubian Square. You're looking at it. Look at that building, that Bank of America. That should be a beautiful place for people to live. One level. A bank too, huh? Gotta make better use. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Brand new bike lanes, BP. Facility to the right. Beautiful library. To the right here. I mean, it's a really nice library. I like going in there. I get a chance. I'm gonna get you over to Ruggles. I'll show you where to cut over to Ruggles. Go right past Madison Park. Their field. Oh, see, I got the green in there. There's a guy right there. He would have hit with this one too.
Yeah, but you're supposed to be over there anyway. Yeah, this is for us, but you're over there.
There's a green bike. Super sack. Knows everything, huh? This one is, I think this whole kind of navigation here could be a little crisper. And how you go, because this, a lot of people need to go up here, or up Warren, where I'm trying to go. Now we're moving. Right there, Nubian. To the left is the T station. A whole bunch of buses go through there, a whole bunch. It's another facility that needs to be redone, multi-level, safer, cleaner, especially with the cold weather. Could sell a lot of product out of there too if we made it nice, help some businesses. Go. Getting lucky here with the lights, we're just making the green, not yellow. Nice path. You saw it right in Nubian Square. The path is not, yeah, they're getting there. A lot more than it was. And this one here, I think these are the, I think there's two best answers, if you will. Right, hold on, let me make sure this guy, they're out there practicing. Two best answers, I would say, for bike lanes. One would be this one, where this type, where it's like into the sidewalk, off the road. And then the other one that strikes me as safe and efficient is when they're both on the same side of the road, you know, passing each other. Check out some of my videos in Cambridge. Ames Street, Cambridge, I think is a good example. Ames. All right, now we're heading into Ruggles. Ruggles, straight ahead. Ruggles.